have I wore the same pyjamas for, I don't know. Oh, I'm not going to lie. It's probably been since Sunday. I've worn my same pyjamas. So yeah, should I get on here and probably change them? Possibly. Am I going to? No. On a serious note, this is, by the way, stir fry. It's got like mushrooms and all that in. Don't ask me. Yes, I have got a carrot. Okay. But it's not whatnot. That's nice. How long do you wear your pajamas for? Come on, just be honest. Am I a grot? Am I a grot? I'll take it if I am. It is what it is, isn't it? What have you done today, and what have you eaten for tea? That's what I'm having. What time is it? 8 o'clock. My evenings have been getting so much later because obviously the house decorating. If you haven't eaten something, eat something. Something is better than nothing. But we're in the last stage now, so it's all done. So we're just like in the drying stage. And then we've got a couple of mirrors and that to go up tomorrow, like a mirror and stuff. Then I can clean it all. Upstairs will be done completely, all bedrooms. And then downstairs it'll be like the old furniture and rug at the minute, but then I'm waiting for the new rug and sofas are coming. By the way, I got it from Roseland, these sofas, right? Really nice. I usually always get my sofas on DFS. I love a new sofa. I do love a new sofa. Guess how much delivery is on DFS now for a sofa? Just have a little wild guess. Wild guess. £120. Are you fucking joking me? To deliver a sofa? I remember when it was £70 I paid. And that's right, you know. I mean, still expensive, but still. £120? And for that reason, and that reason only, I didn't go to DFS. So I went to Roseland Furniture. Fingers crossed. So, I just thought it was extortionate. Like, what the hell? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, and then I'm like, do I get a coffee table or do I get side tables? I haven't got the biggest living room because we made the kitchen bigger, the living room smaller. Don't know. I mean, decisions. This is what I hate, honestly. Like, when you get... how are you picking this last bit up with a fork? It's so annoying. There's a mushroom. Right, I need to go and get I need to get a spoon. Scoop up all the goodness, you know? Right. Oh God, my ginger ninja's going weird. Leave Daisy alone. That's his sister, they always tax. Have a good evening.